Hello everyone, hope everyone had a wonderful day today. I tell you, now you're going to have a better day now, I tell you. Anyway, today I'm going to teach you, actually this video is a continuation of the previous video, okay? It's on about the AutoCAD mouse. Some people wanted to call it rat, I say please call it mouse. Anyway, so in this video, okay, I'm going to teach you like the two functions of a mouse, main functions which you're going to use, okay? One is zoom, one is pan, okay? There are a lot of secrets here, and as things go forward you'll understand much clearer, okay? Okay, I want you people to do one favor for me. Everyone who is looking at this video, okay, look at any car. Okay, you people look at this car, okay? Okay, this is a parking lot, and I will look at this car, okay? So you people, everyone is looking at this car, and I'm looking at this car, okay? So far so good? Okay. Now, from yesterday's video, let me just tell hello to my friend, who? Mouse, okay? This is that wheel. You know, if I keep scrolling this middle mouse button, it keeps zooming, okay? So, now my question is, now you can see the cursor now, yeah? When I scroll, do you think AutoCAD will favor you or AutoCAD will favor me? Think. When I scroll the wheel, AutoCAD, will he look at you or will he look at me? If he looks at you, I will feel bad. And if AutoCAD looks at my car, you will feel bad. Now, what do you think? Or let's keep one more question here, okay? Let somebody else, maybe say your dog or somebody, tell him to look at this car. Now you have three people looking at different cars. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now, where do you think AutoCAD will be? When I zoom, where do you think he will look? He'll look here, he'll look here, or he'll look here. The secret is, see now listen, I was asking like this question, okay, just let's clean this shit here. Anyway, so the question is like this. When I zoom, okay, where do you think AutoCAD will be zooming? I just gave you a question. You keep looking here, let your dog or someone else look here, and I look here, isn't it? So where do you think AutoCAD will be zooming when I zoom? The rule of thumb is this: where I keep my mouse, AutoCAD will zoom. Okay, if I keep here, AutoCAD will zoom there. If I keep my mouse there, AutoCAD will zoom here. Okay, this might look simple, but this, you know, many people, I would say 9 out of 10 times people don't know what is this. Okay, John, when I'm zoom, AutoCAD is not listening to me because you've not kept your mouse correct place. Anyway, so okay, this is rule number 1. So what you understand from now so far? What you understand? Where you keep, rule number 1, where you place your mouse, or let's say the cursor, AutoCAD will move there. AutoCAD will zoom there. Okay, AutoCAD will zoom.